still hollow. You fucked it, friend, it's on its head, it struck the street. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent.
So this morning, decided to wake up and check the spot out because it's been on the list for a while, and we're right there. We're really close to it. But this is Three Sisters Viewpoint. It's pretty cool. Apparently the sunrise is really cool here, but unfortunately I did not wake up in time for that because I was tired. Julio's just chilling at the house reading probably. I think Nikki's asleep still. But today we are going west to the Icefields Parkway, and then we're gonna do like a glacier walk or hike or whatever. But along the way we'll stop, and there's a couple of things I want to see. A couple really cool lakes that Alberta's, or this area, is known for. But yeah, I think I'm gonna skateboard back to the crib soon. Maybe do another detour to walk around in the city before we leave this morning, and then go from there.
Not enough poured up, move to the side. Run around, fuck around, never let me by. Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. Not enough poured up, move to the side. Run around, fuck around, never let me. What's up, King? Making out awake?
I think you're showering right now.
Never had biryani for breakfast.
I've never had sushi for breakfast.
That's right. First time for everything.
Hey, but I've had a crepe for breakfast. Homie is big.
Biryani's kind of nice.
Straight above the highway.
We're shopping around right now. I bought 2 shirts, and I got this painting thing. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's of Lake Moraine, which is like probably my favorite spot because I've been wanting to go for like the past 4 years. But yeah, soon we're gonna make our way west. Just waiting for Nikki and Julio to finish up not cooking, fucking shopping.
Promise that I will stay out of reach, far gone, cause the shit still bothers me. If I had life, if I ain't budge, what a bad time for this anxious, for this.
We got to the Columbia Icefield Parkway, as you can see on the bus there. We're about to hop on. Originally it was at 4:15 our tour, but we showed up right at 4:15, so we got a ticket for 4:45. Should be cool. I think we're going to go onto the glacier, which is down that way, and then on the skywalk, which is further that way. Yeah. So show up on time and bring warm clothes, because apparently it gets 10 degrees colder on the glacier. Plus, the tires massive. This can't be that cold, yeah?
It's pretty cold.
It can't be that cold, yeah. Put your nose in it.
Yeah?
Actually, go from it. You'll probably die.
No, you won't.
Bacteria.
But it's
Bro, this
moving.
person's drinking.
It's moving, yeah. I'm pretty sure you can.
Nah, you're insane, bro.
You wouldn't drink from it?
No!
Why not?
Like she's...
Bro, you're crazy. Bro, you're crazy. You're crazy, bro. So our guide said you can drink the water. Not from the surface, from this one right here. I got it, King. or I guess queen.
Use your water.
Bro, just fucking, just drink from it like you're an animal. Yeah. I mean, hold your hair back. Your hair's.
Delicious.
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Bro, my hands are getting. Bro, that's so good. That's so fucking good. Don't. Yeah, but bro, it's so good. Ooh. It's good water. Ooh. It's good water. It's good water.
Oh shit.
Sheesh. Man. Bro, glacial water. Who would have thought? What? You didn't think you could drink it. You didn't think you could drink it.
If I die from bacteria, I'm blaming you.
Right, man, he said you could do it.
I'm suing you though.
That's fine. Well, you'll be dead, but.
So you want to go right deeper here? You go down slow so you don't put your nose in the sharp bite.
Yes, sir.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. How was
Like a
it?
natural cold plunge.
Yeah, that'll wake you up for sure in the morning.
Yeah.
Just don't think about it. Hey, it's hot actually. Julio, it's really hot.
yeah,
it's warm. It's warm, bro.
Woohoo! Yikes! It's definitely not warm.
You can't edit the Mario sound out. I can't do push-ups.
Oh. Oh, you gotta be able to do a push-up now.
It's okay if you need to use your knees to kind of back up.
That's funny. Oh, yeah, that's funny. You can't do push-up. This shit is so sick, bruh. It's so dope. My left foot, it's completely soaked because I tried to get close to the tire to see how big the tire was compared to me, and the tire is up to my shoulder. The tire goes up to my shoulder.
Yeah.
And my left foot is soaking wet.
You know what else is soaking wet?
What? What?
Your foot.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey,
Dude. Sam, our tour guide. Dope dude. Was telling us some stuff about the glacier, the glacial facial, and the drinking water. Pretty cool homie. Make sure when you come here you have your tickets downloaded. I need to find mine. But now we're at the skywalk. Bro, put the damn chips away. Those are gross.
I ain't putting them away. In my belly.
You're dumb. Yeah, definitely download your tickets because the Wi-Fi is slow. I couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi, and then I had trouble listening to the lady say what the password was, and then I misspelled it. And then she was giving me shit for it. So even strangers give me shit. But yeah, the skywalk is actually pretty cool. Working at the car wash. Sheesh. 280 meters in the air. Kind of crazy. Working at the car wash. This is crazy.
Imagine camping on it.
That was like, what? I definitely recommend doing the Icefield Glacier, Columbian Icefield Parkway Glacier walk and skywalk. Super cool, very informative. But yeah, this is the second glacier I've been on. The first one was Mendenhall Glacier in Juneau with Riley Crocker. Shout out the homie. Now I think they're going to the bathroom, these two goons, and then we're gonna head on over to where we're staying for the night, Radium Hot Springs. So we have a 3-hour drive. Wish us luck.
Yeah. That's a nice drink.
Just bit my tongue. Fuck. Might ask why we were running. I'll tell you. It's close to sunset, and we're trying to make it to Peyto Lake in time so we can see it. Hence, while we are running. There's Nikki running.
On the hill, I think it's the same pace walking versus running.
You gotta get your time up. Oh my god, shutting all the way, bro. I'm in sports mode, Crocs.
I'm in hiking boots. It's not much better. Oh,
No, don't take a picture. Did you stretch before?
I probably should, unless we're all at my back.
If you throw your back
It would be so sad.
on this little sprint up the hill, we've got an issue. Alright, to the...
Wait. You need to line up.
Bro. Wait. What were we, did the first column or the second or the last?
To the fence, bro.
To the fence?
Yeah, the first column in the fence?
Fuck.
Or the
fence?
The end of the
the end of the fence?
No, the end. Where does the end? Where does the fence? Where's the? Oh,
Like right there. Yeah.
Oh Jesus Christ! I'm walking
Yeah.
halfway up.
Bro. Alright?
Yeah.
Julio.
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, you're getting smoked, bro.
It's not
You're getting smoked, bro. I think it might have been because I was. Perks of showing up almost at dark is you get it almost to yourself. Ain't that right, Julio?
So true.
Wait till you see the wolf. Damn. The wolf. Well, we made it to Peyto Lake. Pretty neat. Oh, there's people there. Who was making fun of my commentary? I don't know what to do about it. But I think that's gonna end it for the vlog, Julio.
for
'Cause
today or the whole trip?
for today, because we have a 3-hour drive that isn't really exciting. So, oh, the sky's pretty cool. We will see you tomorrow, right, Julio and Nikki?
Right.
That's right. Deuces.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100.